to apply this beautiful oil. As you can see right here, I'm going to be making example just in case if you don't know how to use it. Just apply a little, a drop, and rub it and let it warm up. Then gradually just massage your boot upwards. As you can see, massage it upwards. Also, you can also do it in circular motion. You repeat it many times. As you can see the movement of my hands, that is how to massage the bowl. And you have to make sure that your hand is always oily. Yes, but don't apply like too much. Just take it gradually and let everything penetrate into your skin. Just massage it upwards, always upwards or in circular motion. That is the way you are going to be using this oil. If it can be possible, use it 2 times daily. Yes, you can either use it once, in case if you can use it twice. It's also perfect. You can see your reasonable results using it every day. Use it twice a day, once or twice a day. And for the breast, it's almost the same function, almost the same thing. Just gradually rub it into your pan, let it warm up, and you have to go in V section or U section. You have to pack everything upwards, especially in this area. You don't have to apply any pressure at all. Gradually let all the oil in your hands penetrate into your skin before applying more.